Yo, welcome back, Purple Gang, to a brand new video on Animal Company. Say hi, Julian.
Hi!
Yeah, so I've
Yes,
heard
sir.
that this game has gotten another update, but I don't really know what it is. It kind of looks like a maze, but yeah, I don't know yet.
Yeah, I've seen some videos, some
Um, hey,
spoilers.
buddy, don't spoil it. I haven't seen any videos. That's not very cool, right?
How,
That's not very
bro?
nice.
How?
That's not very
How?
nice. That's not very nice. Don't spoil it.
What is that?
Well, let's just hop into the update. But while I was loading in,
Xavier?
I noticed something, and
What is it? Yeah.
what is this, bro? Like what,
You
bro?
know what? This is what happens when you mess with Xavier and the Purple Crew.
This is. Wait, I think we should head over there to see if it's like.
Oh my god, wait, I'm playing Fortnite. Oh my god,
Oh my
Xavier.
god.
Please.
Okay. Oh wait, there's these everywhere. What? Whoa, whoa. All right. Go to the forest. Oh my god, what is wrong with that grappler?
Oh, yo. Why is there so much launch pads from?
I don't know.
I almost touched Stellar.
Whee! I'm here, I think. Yeah. Where's the
We should have brought a
chicken?
light.
Where's the chicken? Chicken
I
jockey.
don't know, but there's the ogre.
Wait, where's the chicken?
I found the chicken.
Chicken jockey.
Oh yeah, we.
Oh,
I don't want to ask
what's
you-
this? I say still.
Let's go.
What the heck?
Oh, spray paint. You're purple!
Yeah, what's up, Purple Gang?
Wait, what is this for though?
I don't know.
Wait.
Wait, what's this?
Oh, you can put it on your hip too.
Oh, this is a maze. Oh, I don't think I'll be needing this.
Oh yeah, we're cooked. We gotta make the path back. Maybe this is what this is for. So look, I'm gonna put the X. Okay, we can't put it on here. Oh no! We
Okay,
gotta
so
follow
remember,
our
that's
path.
where we spawn.
Yeah.
That's... Wait, what? Oh, press these buttons, press these buttons. Am I hiding in a bush?
I'm kind of stuck. I got myself stuck in a pickle for a bit.
What's that? No! No!
Drop it through the ceiling!
You can hide! Bro, you can hide in bushes! Oh, I'm literally one shot. Oh no, and I just lost my grappler.
I kind of got.
Bro, just come back. Dude, I don't know how to escape this chicken.
He was literally camping me.
Wait, guys, chicken? Chicken jockey! my god. Oh my god, what? I know she's just calling. Just don't worry about it for now. Ignore her.
Second or third time she interrupted us mid-bid, bro. Finally crashed out.
Bro, she really has to call us
By
during
the way,
the
guys, I've asked everybody this at my school. What's 9 plus 10?
guys.
Make
That's right.
sure you put your answer in the comments.
Guys, put your answer in the comments. If you have something besides the answer, then you're so weird. Oh! Why is he walking so fast, bro? Yo, Juju, are you coming back?
I got some bad news.
What?
She's joined you, bro. You gotta unfriend her animal company.
You joined?
Let's just restart the whole vid.
Nah, bro, we can't restart, bro. Oh my god. Why is the chicken jockey right above me? Okay. Oh my god, oh no. Oh no, oh no, yo, oh no. Hold up, first I want to see some. I want to see how much I could sell this for. I wonder if I could even sell this actually. Yo, did I just hear a revolver?
I'm attempting to come in back.
Oh no, Cheese,
no
we're literally in the Cheese, we're recording a video right now, bro. Don't be weird.
Bro, I haven't even said anything.
I know you haven't, but like, still.
I'm your special guest.
Yeah, the one that literally came out of nowhere, bro.
Yeah, so I knew that Animal Company had an update, and then I saw that.
And you
were
decided
going
to
there.
literally join us in the middle of a video?
Yes, I did.
Well, I was literally
So what?
trying to see how much this sells for. Nah, bro.
Hey, what's up, Purple Crew gang?
Oh, nah, bro. Oh, no, bro.
Wait, what did you even sell? Wait, what did
I
you
sold
wait,
that
was it
little,
the
like,
coin?
gun, jingy badingy.
Bro, it's crazy because that's what I was getting like a hint of. Remember I sent you the picture of I saw the marks?
Chicken Jack. Oh, so you're literally
So,
just getting hints.
Oh, by the way,
Getting
guys, make
what?
sure you join our Discord.
Huh?
By the way, guys, make sure you join our Discord.
You weren't supposed to say that yet.
Let's not talk about that, guys. By the way, guys, well,
yeah,
I actually
April Fools, April Fools, guys. Oh,
Yeah,
my
April
bad.
Fools, April Fools. April Fools.
It's the 4th.
It's April Fool's,
It's the
guys.
15th.
No one's
April
gonna
Fools.
believe you, little bro.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah,
nothing
bro,
like
April Fools, y'all. I mean, like, even though it's like April 16th or 15th, April Fools, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Bro,
Like,
I'm
it's,
gonna. I
it's
can't
still
even hear
April
Julian,
Fool's,
so I'm
no
gonna
matter
go
what.
check back on your guys' video and see what he's saying.
Bro, we're in the middle
Don't
of
cheat.
recording a video right now.
Oh, wow. Womp to the wompiest womp.
How is that a womp womp? Look, Cheese, this is you, bro. This is you.
Yes, that is me. Can I have it and put it in my little box thing, please?
Yeah, go get it. Well, she's getting herself, because her name's literally Cheese on the quest. We're gonna buy something. I don't know what, but we're buying something. Ooh, wait, I could buy that. A sticker dispenser? I could buy the... Okay, wait, so I gotta go to the camera. Where's the camera? Hold on, where's the camera? Who's here? Oh, okay. I don't think Cheese knows that we're in here. Well, actually, yes, she does. I'm trying to find the radio, so we gotta find the monster.
Oh, yo, they got the third.
Okay,
the
so
30th, whatever.
we gotta find the monster
ha-
camera.
I had it when it was unreleased.
Where's the monster? Yo, I'm one shot. Yo, should I get an editor? Cause recently I have been not editing videos. So I might try to get an editor soon. Cause I actually badly need an editor. Badly, bro, dude, I badly need an editor. I really needed an editor. Bro, and I literally need an editor, dude. Dude, I need an editor, dude. And of course I'm gonna die.
Larry Cheese is here.
Bro, oh my god. Oh my god. And then... Bro, okay.
Yeah, they have a new basketball backpack.
Bro, that's been in the game.
Oh.
For too long, actually.
Ah, I took damage. That hurt. Okay. I think we should do the outro right here.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Let's head back to the one more time. Julian. Here.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, I'm heading back.
Yo, you have those unlocked now?
I've been having them unlocked. Brett doesn't know when I've been having all this stuff unlocked. How does bro not know? Bro. Oh, you could literally fly with this new stuff. All you need to do is grab a grappler, stay onto this. If you have hip attachments, put it on your hip, and then you're literally just flying. I mean, you can't move anywhere, but you're in air, so I guess that's pretty cool. dude, big chunks from the
I
market.
accidentally bought 2 marker guns.
That's fine.
Okay.
I know. So,
Okay,
Julian,
make a trail, make a trail.
I found something out. Hide. In a bush. Hide.
Yeah, we gotta press the button.
Hide in the bush! Did you hide in the bush?
Okay,
Fine.
fine.
Bro, you're supposed to hide it.
Get away from me!
Hide in the bush! Hide in the
I
bush,
can't, bro! This is dumb!
bro! Bro, he can't get you if you're in the bush. Bro, just come down, bruh. I command you to come down.
Yo, he's camping me.
Bro, just jump down. How much health do you even have anyways?
No!
Bro, why would you come down? I was literally in the bush, but alright. How is he hitting me? Hit. Okay, how is he hitting me, bro? How? I was in the bush. 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 Like, bro, I was literally in the bush. Like, bro, this is all your fault, dude. And you look ugly for real. Well, I don't even know where Julian is. Wait, Julian?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah, where are you? So let me
Oh, I see you, Julian. Cheese, would you like to do the outro with us?
The what?
Outro with us?
Sure.
Alright. I speak first, Juju speaks second, and you speak third. That's how it goes. Bro. Whoa. Bro, we have an issue.
But where are
there's,
you guys?
wait, there's actually one thing we forgot to show in this video. The new stuff.
Bundles.
Yeah. Wait, they added multiple styles for this, for the uniforms?
Wait, these are sick.
This one's my favorite.
Oh, I like this
This
one.
one's my favorite.
Real. Like, I am RoboCop all, bro. I am RoboCop all.
Sorry, guys, my
Okay.
mother called me. I mean, like, yeah. Yeah, and oh, they still haven't changed this yet. Okay, so they're changing that in 5 days. They got some Easter eggs, Easter egg cosmetics.
Okay, bro. Why did they add queso to the game?
Oh my god.
Alright, let's do the outro.
Okay. Come on, Cheese.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, cheese ball looking thing. I don't know what to call you.
Cheeseball looking thing is crazy.
Okay, well, this is gonna be, bro.
Hi.
They're next to dude.
Hi.
Oh my god. Okay, well, that's gonna be
I'm
it for the
autistic.
video. Bro, can you stop interrupting? Okay, well, this is
He
gonna.
looks like
Shut
my dog
up!
Demi. I swear to God, if we have to do bloopers.
Okay,
Okay,
I hope
keep
you
going.
do have to do bloopers.
and I hope you actually shut up, bro. Okay, so this is
I
gonna be
hope
it
you
for the
die,
video
and
today.
I'ma give
Oh
you
my
back
god, you know what?
shots.
Not ignore her. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for the video today, and I'll see you in the next one, Purple Gang. Would y'all like to say anything? Would y'all like to say? Julian?
I have a question.
Fuck
What's
yo.
your question? I said, what's your question, dummy?
Why is she so annoying?
Why did you
Why
sound like a
you so
nerd when you said that?
Immature.
Why is she so annoying?
Okay, well, bye, Purple Gang, and I'll see you in the
Wait
next
up,
one.
I gotta do my famous bounce walling.
Okay, well, bye,
Lamar, you are not famous for that.
Okay, well, bye, Purple Gang, and I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.
Peace.